Yesterday, what we have discussed, compositions of the functions. And you know what is the meaning composition of functions? And I give the numericals also. The question 1.3 exercise. Okay. Question number one. What the question number one was there? Question number one. Please read the question number one. Let function f 1 to 3 from 1 to 5 and g function 1 to 5 to 1 to 3 1 3 be given by this. Write down Goff and Fogg. Have you written this? Right now, the manner of writing solutions, everybody know here. What is the manner of writing? Let f and g, f, g and b, h are the two functions from R to R. Means three functions on real set, real numbers there. Okay. Show that f plus g means it's called the algebra function. Two functions are added. Okay. I'm telling this. Solution number two. Okay. We are solving NCERT questions. Exercise 1.3, question number 2. What the questions are given? Since three functions are f, g and h are okay, three functions on R. Okay, this is the method of writing. Or another way also we can write here: f on R to R, g on R to R, and h from R to R. There are three ways also. We can also write in this manner. Okay, this can be written here, this can be written. So what is to prove here first? To prove f plus g of O is equal to 4 plus go. First you need to understand this. F plus g. F plus g means two functions are added here. It's called the algebra function. In 11th class we had studied. Clear? And this is the composition right now. And you just have to know composition, how to distribute it is f of g. So how it is written here, please tell me. So it is written so many times, oh, the composition sign will occur. So many times you will take their parenthesis like that, f of g of x. This is that here. Clear or not? So look that here. So we have to prove here that composition is distributive with respect to addition. We are just to find out. Okay. So we'll start here left hand side. F plus g of O. F plus g of O. So let there is a variable sum right now. So what we can write on here? This let x be the sum variable. It simply can be written here this. Let f plus let x be a real number. Okay, the functions for x be a real number. So not need to give here this expression f plus g of h of x. Can we write this or not? Right. Further, this can be written as f plus o of hx. Why? Because you have studied about the composition. It is what here? Addition is there. Okay. So simply we can write down here f is a composition or it's an addition, right? So it could be written as f plus means something else. This is what here composition here. First we'll call this from the 11th class. The 11th class there is f plus g of x. Do you remember this or not? Can be written as fx plus gx. Is that clear? So the domain or the variable is distributive with respect to function. Clear? So same here we can suppose this is a variable. Is that clear? So it is distributive with respect to addition. So this can be written as f of what? O plus hx. This can be right here. And further g of O of hx. Can we write this one? Yeah? Got you this? Right? Further f of h of x. No, it's being repeated here. So this can be written as 4 plus what shall it is, and it's a go. So nothing is to be done there. You will just take here this value, whatever is this. This is a domain, means addition of any function is distributive with respect to x. So same we can suppose here is. And another way is there f plus g. Okay, this is that here, and O of hx can be write this is that here, and further this can be written as f of Wait a minute, please. So one more line you need to improve here. Okay, f plus g of, here this is that, and the parenthesis there of h of x. Can we write this or not? And this is a domain. The whole is domain here. What we have done here is clear. So this addition of the function is distributive. F of h of x. Can we write this or not? In the same plus g of h of x. Clear? Further, f of what? This is to be removed here. Clear? When we remove our composition sign, we use parenthesis, and parenthesis to be removed, we use the composition sign. 4 of hx plus here will g of hx. Clear or not? So here we will write it. And the further expression could be written 4 plus, go for the same domain. Is that clear? Where x is, you will write x is real, x is real, and x is real. You will write it. For all real, this will come work here. For all real. For all x be real. So we can say here that composition is distributive with respect to addition. Similarly, we can solve for minus. It is also distributive for multiplication or addition, subtraction. Second, what is the next? F into g, f into g of O. Can you solve this one? In the same manner, f dot g, here, and in place of that, h of x, where for all x be real. Here, and further the procedure, f dot h of x. Why? Because the addition, multiplication of the function is distributive over a domain. Okay, is that clear? So what can be written in this? Into g of h of x. Further, here it is. So 4 into, here into is to be taken here, and go of x is to be taken here. Further, 4 into go. Is that clear? Hence proved. This is also for the divisions, provided that 4 go should not be 0. Go must not come 0. Is that clear? Now question number 3 also you have done. See the question number 3 of NCERT textbook. Opening the answer, third question. What is it saying, the third question? F of x is equal to mod of x, and g of x is equal to mod of 5x minus 2. I think you would have done this. You want to know this question by me? No? See the question number 2 of the same. You want to know the question by me? No? Now look the question number 4 also. You want to know the question by me? Question number 4, I'm talking about. Question number 4. Want to know? Look here. What is the solution number 4? Question number, f of x is equal to 4x plus 3 divided by 6x minus 4, right? Where x is not equal to, you have to know x is not equal to 2 by 3. Actually 2 by 3 will make the denominator 0. So the function will be meaningless here, right now? It's a nonsense concept will develop here in mathematics, okay? So the denominator should not be there, 0. So condition is there. Show that, what is to show? Show that f of x is equal to x. What is the meaning of x? Listen guys, in the composition of the function, we had studied gof and fog. It means they are the different functions. Compositional function is there, and both the functions are different. But here in this case, both the functions are same. Means a function is composited with itself. Twice we have employed the function on over a domain. Is that clear? Right? So we have to prove f of x is x coming here. Is that clear? What is the inverse of f? What is the inverse of f? Also to find out inverse. To find inverse. Inverse. This is interesting. Inverse. Inverse of function. I will explain you the definition of inverse. What do you understand by the inverse? Okay. So look at this f of x. So we have to find out f. So okay, solution. How to find out f? Therefore f of x. Clear? This can be written as O composition sign. It's a f of x. Can we write this one? However, first it need to be solved outer function or inside inner function. Outer is to be solved here. Okay. So what is the function here? Please tell me. The function is this, and where the domain is there, you have to leave the places. Okay, for the domain. The function is 4 into domain. Here domain is and plus 3 and 6 into this is also domain. Domain is to be left here and minus 4. Okay. Of this function, what is the domain? Fx is domain. Fx is domain. What is fx? Yeah, this is the fx here. So fx is to be written what? Fx is to be written here this 4x plus 3 divided by 6x minus 4, and again 4x plus 3 divided by 6x minus 4, and further to be solved here this. Okay, 16x plus 12, and this goes here what? 12, and 18x minus 12 divided by this that. Okay, and 6 4s are 24x plus 18, and is also to be minus 24x and minus 16 minus plus. Clear? What is coming this? And the denominator same is there. Okay, same denominator will be cancelled. 16 times 20 18 times, how much is there? 16 times 18 times, yeah, 34 times coming. 34 times coming. 34 times x coming. 12 12 what here cancels. Okay, what next? 24 minus 24, it's cancels. 18 is what here? 18 plus, it's also 34. So this is to be cancelled here. 34 30. What's coming here? X is coming here. Means we have employed the function x, and after employing the composition, x is coming, x itself is coming here. Is that clear? Means very simple. So need to explain the concept of the inverse. What do you understand by inverse? Means this is we operate an operation. Suppose that yesterday we have discussed. I'm just doing here an activity. Have you noted this question? Okay, I'm doing here an activity. What do you understand by the inverse also? Please. Uh, Here is the sum. What I should add it here so that x itself come here? 1. No, what should I add to this x? So x itself come. Own x will come here, yes? No. X plus 1, how x can come here? 0 to be there, okay? 0 to be there. X is coming here, right? Now we have done the operation. We employed the function, and what is coming? X itself is coming. Such type operation in mathematics is called identity operation. What operation? Identity operation. Is that clear enough? Means employing an operation is said to be identity operation. This is called identity operation. Or also we can speak here identity function. Is that clear? In the same manner, what I should I add here so that 0 must come? Your answer is minus x is to be there. Okay, this is it. So what is 0 of the x? What is 0 of the x? The 0 is the additive identity of the x. Is that clear? So what? It's an additive identity. Additive identity. Additive identity. Additive. The operation I have done. What I have added? I have added minus 1. So we'll speak here on what adding to x. Additive identity of a domain of a variable is coming. Then the additive thing is said to be it's a additive inverse. This is called additive inverse. Inverse. Is that clear? And the function is said to be what function, please? Additive inverse operation. This is called inverse operation. It's called inverse operation. Is that clear? Again, have a look at this. What should I multiply here? So x itself will come here. Yeah? 1. So what type of 1 is, what is called 1? identity. This is again identity operation. It's identity, again identity operation. You will see. In the same way, x into what should I multiply here or operate here so that 1 will come here. Means identity value will come here. So the answer is 1 by x. This 1 by x is to be x to the power minus 1. Okay. So this is called inverse, multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse. You may say this. Finally, the first operation, these two are identity operation, and the second operation are said to be inverse operation. Is that clear? Means how can we know the operation is inverse? Tell please. How can we know the inverse of operation is inverse? You have employed here the inverse operation. How can you predict? If identity operation and identity comes here, then we imply that we have applied the what? Inverse operation. It means if you imply the inverse operation, identity will come. And if identity comes, then means you have applied the inverse operation. Is that clear or not? So we have look on the board. Is that clear? If we imply the inverse operation, identity comes. If identity comes as an image of any function applied, means the function you applied was identity. Oh, sorry, inverse. Come on, please have a look. We have employed here function for x. We have given the function for x, and we have solved a for operation. And at the last, what is coming? Domain itself is coming. It means the second function which you have employed is its inverse operation. Is that clear or not? So you will write here, since f of f is equal to, what is coming here? F of f is coming what here? Identity. I for identity. Is that clear? Therefore, the second, this is called, what this? The second function, inverse of that. You can speak here. The second function is, this is said to be f operation, right now? So here is to be there, inverse of x, ix. So what is the second inverse operation? How can you find the inverse operation? What is the inverse? Inverse we want to find out. What will be the inverse of that? F of x is equal to that, identity. So here is coming here f of f, that is this here. F of f is ix. So this is called the inverse function. This is the inverse function. And we want to find out this inverse function. What is the inverse function, yes? So finding inverse function. Have you been? Therefore inverse, this is that inverse. It's a y we'll suppose here. Okay? We'll suppose that y and 4x plus 3 divided by 6x minus 4. Clear? Inverse operation means, see, under an operation x give you y. Under an operation x give you y. So under reverse operation y give you x. So this is your f and this is your inverse f. So we are finding, actually it is the f is the function of x and f inverse is the function of y. Is that it? So we are finding x is equal to, that is y. What is that will be here? This to be transferred by y. Proceed it. 6xy and 4y. Do solve this please. 6xy minus 4y is equal to 4x plus 3. So we have to find x is equal to, okay? Here 6xy minus 4x is equal to 3 plus 4y. Is that clear now? What is common in them? X is common, okay? So x is there, and so 6y minus 4 is equal to 3 plus 4y. Is that clear? Or also this can be written as x is equal to 3 plus 4y divided by 6y minus 4. Also we can write here 4y plus 3 divided by 6y minus 4. This is your inverse function. So f inverse is, what is f inverse is? 4y plus 3 divided by 6y minus 4. This is a continuity operation. Okay, under f x giving you y, under f inverse y will give you back x. Okay, right now please check the answer the same as it is coming. It means the function was there 4x plus 3, and here only y is to be replaced there. Okay, so what will be inverse directly can also be written here. It means that this is not to be solved here. Directly you can give. Of inverse is coming ix. It means what is the f inverse? F inverse is 4y plus 3 and 6y minus 4. This you can understand. Now see the next question. What is that? State whether, state with reason whether following functions have inverse. State with reason whether following function have inverse. Do you know what is to find? State reason the inverse function is function from 1 to 3 to 10 with 110, 210, 310 and 410. Exists and inverse exists or not, we have to tell this. State whether reason following function have inverse. Reason means what? Reason actually you have to give of ix. This is very important line for proving the inverse. What do you understand by the inverse function is there? Okay, please write inverse function. The definition of functions are there. Okay, please have write you. Let f and g are two functions. Let f and g are the two functions on R, means on the real side these are. Let f and g are two functions. Let f and g are the two functions on R. How to write here is on R, the function, right? Simple. Inverse of function. Inverse of function. Okay. Let f and g are two real functions. Real functions. Real function, this can also be written as this. F on R and G on R. This is the manner of writing it. Such that, okay, two functions such that fog is equal to Ix. Okay, this also can be written as fog of x is equal to x, we can write here. Okay, fog is equal to Ix, or gof is equal to Ix. Then in this case here, G is equal to F inverse. Means G is called the inverse of F, or F is equal to G of X. Is that clear? So not need to write it. G is the inverse of F. It means there is an operation or function by which we can bring y from x. There be an existence from by which we can bring back the x from y. You go to the school from home. It is possible to come back to the home. This is inverse functions. So why the student is being taught the inverse philosophy in mathematics? Because when you will study further in, you will design such applications and such function you will make it for the computer that the inverse must be there possible. Means there are in the life there always should be the facility of inverse function. Is that clear? But there are certain event in life and certain situation in life that the inverse function does not exist. We proceed ahead, we will not come back. Is that clear? Your age is not inverse function. Why? Because you can just grow only, right? You go into the infant grow into the child, and child grow into the adults, and adolescent grow into the adult, and further in old. Is that clear? But the function cannot be reversed. Is that clear? It means there are certain conditions when we are applying logic and developing a software. So we just have to know inversibility is to be there. Is that clear? Means there should be a facility, or there should be availability that we can retrace the function. We can come back to the original position. Is that clear? This is the actually the philosophy of mathematics, we can say. What is the inverse of a function right now? But inverse of, if two functions are there, if one function we are applying on x, it is giving you y. Another function we are applying on y, it is giving you x. If both the function you will apply on x, the x will remain x. So that's called fog and Goff is equal to ix. I for identity name of the function we are giving. So fog x is equal to x, Goff x is equal to x. So g is called inverse function. Is that clear? Understood what is the meaning of? So have a look at the next please. Next question. What the next question is there? The question is before you on the screen. You will see. State whether reason where following functions have inverse. The question number 5 I'm talking 5. Okay. A function from 1 2 3 4 to function from 1 2 3 4 to 10. Is that clear? And how it is given the function? Functions is given as 110. Okay, 110. These are the domains of function. Okay, so first is the domain and second is the image. Okay, collections are means these points are following this, means as a result of function, one related with the 10. Okay, one functionalized with 10, 2 10, 3 10, and 4 10. There is this. Okay, clear guys? Now have a look this. So what is under f? So simply you can understand. Have a look this. It's a set A, suppose it's set B. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. Have a look please. There is 10. 1 related with 10, 2 related with 10, 3 related with 10, and 4 related with 10. Is it possible that many element can related with 10? This is a type of function I told you. What type of function is this? What type of function is this? It means you have not seen video. What type of function is this? Many to one function, many to one mapping. This is okay. Every element of A can have one and only one image. Is it possible? Is this coming under the definition of function? Yes. The second, it's a B or it's a A. Suppose it is G function. It's a 10 here, or it's what here? 1, 2, 3, and 4. This. Is it possible here? 10 is under G function, 10 having many image. Is this function? No, this is not function. This is a relation. What is the definition of function? 11th I told you. A relation from A to B is said to be a function. Listen again. A relation from A to B is said to be a function if each x of A has one and only one image in B. This is function. Otherwise it is a relation. So is this function? Yeah. Is this function? No, this is not function. So by a G function from 10 we are bringing 1, but this is not a function. So what we can write here? What we'll write here? So you will write down here f does not have inverse. F does not have. So please write f has not inverse. F has not an inverse. F has not inverse. Why it does not an inverse? The inverse. Why we are writing the inverse? The inverse. Because inverse is identity. Inverse is unique. Means a function cannot have more than 2 inverse. This is a theorem you will study in that. Please have right assignment. Prove that a function has unique inverse. The inverse of a function is unique. Means a function cannot have the 2 inverse. F has not inverse. f has not the inverse. So this is not a function, not a function. G is not a function. As G is not a function. G is not a function. This function cannot exist because a function under function, one image, one domain has one and only one image inside B. See the next place. What is that? State whether reason following function has inverse. Second, can you solve the second question also? What is second? G, what is G? 5, 6, 7 and 8. And what is next? 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And what is the function here? G is, speak please. 5, 4, 6, 3, 7, 4, 8 and 2. Have a look please. Same. A mapping is to be given here. By giving by mapping, you can give the a very easy illustration for understanding the function. Is the 5, 6, 7 and 8. And next is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Tell please. Look. Yes. 5 connected with under F. 5 connected with 1, 6 connected with 2. You may see. This is F. 5, 4. Sorry. 5, 4. 5 connected with 4. And 6 connected with 3. 7 connected with 4. 8 connected with 2. Is that clear? Each member of X has one and only one image. Yes. So F is a function. Is that clear? Let G, another name we can give here, let F. G already has been used here. Okay. So we are giving another name. Let F let F a function given from B to A. Okay, here is this. It's a B and it's a A. Okay, what this is called? We can speak here G inverse. Okay, look please, what is that? 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's what? 5, 6, 7, 8. You may see 4 connected with 5 and 3 connected with 6. 3 connected with 6 and 2 connected with 8 and again 2 connected with and 4 connected with 7. Is this function possible? No, because 4 has 2 images. So you will write G inverse is not possible. Why? As 4 has 2 image. 4 has 2 image. Now the definition of function is there. What? One and only one. Means a function cannot be there too. Can you write the third also same? 2 related with 7, 3 related with 9. You may see on the screen. Now look the question number third. Please go. Question number third. Function given with h. H function is given as 2 7. Second is what? 3 9 and 4 11, and third is what? 5 13. Yes, look here. Under h, 2 related with 7, 3 related with 9, 4 related with 11, 5 related with the same you will do, okay, as well. So under there is a function what? H inverse. 7 related with 9 related with 11 related with and 13 related with 5. Is it function? Is it possible? Yes. H inverse is possible. So you will write here this H inverse is possible. Means H has its inverse. Why? Because H, where H of x is equal to I of x. This can be achieved. Means there exists a function here which we can bring here. Means H inverse is possible. And the method of writing solutions in the previous questions I told you, right? Is this possible here? Means H inverse is possible. The reason why you need to give the justification and solution here. Have a look at the question number 6. What the question number 6 is saying in the NCERT textbook? The question number 6. Show that function from -1 to r. Show that function from -1 to r given by fx. Here the solution number 6. You want to know this question? Solution number 6. A function from, what is that? -1 to r. -1 to r is given by, how the function is given by? Fx is equal to x divided by x plus 2. Clear? X plus 2 is 1 1. Is 1 1. Do you know 1 1 function? Types of function I told you. 1 1 onto. 1 1 means injective. Onto means surjective. What is called 1 1 function? A function from a to b is said to be 1 1. A function from a to b is said to be 1 1 if each x has one and only one image. Means not the two images it's having. Is that clear? It's called 1 1. Right now, what is called onto? It is 1 1. Is 1 1. Find the inverse of that. Inverse also to be found out here. How can you find out the inverse? So we have to show that this is 1 1. Very simple for finding 1 1. Let x1 x2 be real here, in the real, okay, domain. X1 x2 belongs to -1 to 1. Do you know the symbolization bracket, square bracket? Close interval, okay, means -1 and +1 is to be included, okay. So what is that here? X1 x2, two values are here. We are supposing that f of x1 is equal to f of x2. Means two domain are equal. If we are taking domain equal, sorry, range equal, then domain will also come equal. Listen, I'm saying this. What? There is a function a. Actually, you have not seen the video for the types of function. It's x1 or it's a y1. It's a x2 or it's a y2. It's a x3 or it's a y3. Right now? So we are supposing that x1 has only one image, x2 has only y2 as one image, x3 has only y2 image. Means each member, each of x has one and only one image. Is this function here? Yes, this is function. How many image x1 have? Only one. How many image y2 x2 have? One. How many images? So this is called 1 1. But we have to prove this is 1 1. So we can suppose here y2 is equal to y2. F of x1 is equal to f of x2. What is that? If this is equal, if the image is equal, if the image is equal, right now we are just taking here image is equal, it means image equality of image will bring the equality of domain. Have a look this how. So f of x1 and x1 plus 2 is equal to x2 by this. What we are taking here, please tell me. We are taking the image R. F of x1 and x2 are domain. X1 and x2 are domain, and we are taking their domain are equal. Their domain are equal, okay? And f of x1 is image and f of x2 is image. So we are taking image equal here. So here if image is taken equal, image is taken equal, y2 is equal to y2, and implies that x1 comes equal to x2. X1 equals to x2. It means that y2 is related with only 1. It's not related with the 2's, right now. But if they are not coming equal, it means this is a function but it's a many to 1, right now. If this equals comes here and this equal comes, means it is 1 1, or if they are not coming equal, it is many to 1, right or not. We are taking the image same, image equal. After solving this proceed it here. X1 into x2 plus 2 times x1 and x1 into x2 plus 2 times x2. Is that clear now? X1 x2 cancels, they are same either side, and here to be taken x1 is equal to 2 of x2. Mathematically 2 2 cancel, x1 is equal to x2. What does this mean? Domain is equal. It means for the same range the domain is coming same. We have taken equal range, equal image, so domain is coming equal. It means one image, that is what we can speak here. Only one domain is associating with the image, right now. It not associating means one has only one image. This is the one. This is the mapping is 1 1. So please have write down what is it saying here. The question is function is 1 1. Find the inverse of the function. We have to find its function here. Okay. Inverse is to be found out. Let you will suppose here. Let y is equal to, you will suppose as x divided by x plus 2, where y belongs to R. Y belongs to R. Is that clear? And here x belongs to x1, x2 belongs to what? Minus 1 and plus 1. But remember please. And here y belongs to R. We are considering a function. Listen, okay? So y is given under f with the help of x. Now x is to be retraced. How x can be brought back? Transfer to that. It's xy plus 2y is equal to x. We are finding inverse function. Okay. Proceed that. We have to find x is equal to. So further this can be written as it's what? So it's a 2y is equal to x minus xy. Is that clear not? And further this can be written as 2y is equal to xx common y minus y. And further 2y divided by 1 minus y is equal to x. Have a look please. This is a typical function is coming here. Okay. Let this is g of x. It's a 2x divided by 1 minus y. Oh, 1 minus x. This is a typical function we made here. Okay. Where x belongs to the g is function from 1 1 to r. No, g is the function from r to 1 1. So here x belongs to what? R. Is that it? So if I will put the value here, what is to be put here? This r is to be put here. This. So we have to prove that. Find the inverse of this. We have to find, is it possible the inverse here? Inverse is possible. We can test this. Fog, Goff. Goff is equal to Ix, you need to prove here. Okay. So what is Goff? G of fx. Is that clear? So what is g function? This is a g function. Clear? 2 of. Leave the place of domain. And 1 minus, what is that here? Here the domain. What is domain? The domain is here fx. What is fx you may see? Yeah? X x upon x plus 2, and here x upon x plus 2. Please do solve. After solving, what will come? After solving, what will come? X will come here. X will come here. Gof of x is equal to ix. Identity function will come. Then g is the inverse of f. Proceed it ahead. 2x divided by x plus 2, and it's x plus 2 minus x divided by x plus 2. X plus 2, x plus 2 cancels. It's a 2x, and x cancel here is divided by 2. What is coming? This x is coming. So you will write down here, since gof is equal to ix. So g is the inverse of your assignment of the day. Remaining questions to be done in the same manner. Okay. Question number 8, answer question. Question number 8. Question number 8. Question number 9 and 10 is there is important 10 here. Okay, guys. We'll solve please. 9, 10, 11. 11 also is to be done by you. Right now, this is the last topic for that, and later the binary operations to there. Okay. We'll solve the miscellaneous questions the next day. Okay, guys. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. And please will appreciate the all videos which I am giving you online. Right. This will help you to understand the functions in proper manner. The types of function also is to be seen here. This is the important. Okay.